High BP is the #1 risk factor for death globally. This silent killer increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, stroke, and kidney failure. As prevention is always better than cure, it's highly advisable to regularly monitor your blood pressure. India's most trusted brand, EASYCARE, understands the severity of this problem and has brought to you Digital BP Monitor that enables you to check your BP anywhere. This German technology-made Digital BP Monitor is a fully automatic arm-style machine, which comes with a date, time, body movement indication and pulse rate indicator, error measurement indicator, irregular heartbeat alert, voice feature which makes it ideal for people with low vision,
blood pressure pump, systolic pressure 125.
It has dual user modes which saves up to 99 measurements for each user. It also has LCD display with backlight for enhanced visibility even in dark rooms or daylight. And it comes with 2 power supply modes, one with USB and one with 4 AA batteries. Now, let's see how this product works. This trustable and reliable monitor is a fully automatic device that you can self-operate by just wearing the arm cuff and pressing the start button. This clinically validated and #1 doctor recommended monitor comes with a free rigid pouch, user manual and 4 alkaline batteries. EASYCARE's Digital BP Monitor. Let it handle your pressure.